Hey Kickstarter, I'm Tim, and this is Meta. In the 2+ years I've been on Kickstarter, I've seen lots of great ideas, and backed more than a few of them. But as great as Kickstarter is, I couldn't help but think, what if it could be better? Over 3 million people backed projects on Kickstarter last year, but fewer than 20,000 projects were funded. What if all 3 million of those backers also became project creators? A recent highly scientific and totally real survey of probably millions of people has shown that the #1 reason Kickstarter backers are not creating their own projects is a lack of great ideas. To begin solving this pressing crisis, last year I built an online Kickstarter idea generator. This online version is well loved by those who use it, but I couldn't shake the feeling that the intangible, abstract nature of the internet lacks a certain personal touch. I wanted to bestow my creation with that magical, unique connection that you can only get by interacting with an actual physical object in your hands. That's why today I'm proud to introduce you to Meta, the Motivational Electronic Text Advisor. It's a unique, handcrafted, retro, hackable, open source Arduino-powered idea generator. Now, when you need an idea for your very own Kickstarter project, all you have to do is grab your Meta, press the button, and build whatever amazing creation it dreams up. Coming up with great ideas used to be a grueling, complex task. But now, with Meta, it's so easy even a child can do it. I've packed over 300 million amazing new project ideas into this little box. For example, you could kickstart the polychromatic titanium robot for moms, or the world's lightest augmented reality pumice backpack, or the remote control cardboard clock. Or what about the organic Bitcoin skateboard? You could spend every waking moment doing nothing but pressing Meta's buttons for the next 100 years, and by the time you finish, you will still only have uncovered 1/3 of what Meta has to offer. Also, you'll be pretty hungry. But that's not all. Since Meta is built on the open source Arduino platform, you'll be able to use Meta's circuit board, buttons, and retro green LCD as a hackable foundation for your own future projects. Meta has come a long way from my initial concept to the fully functional prototype you see before you today. But now, I need your help to bring it to everyone on Kickstarter. With your help, I'll be able to finalize the hardware, software, and aesthetic design, and place an order for the custom circuit boards that power Meta. Meta is a Kickstarter exclusive product. If you want a Meta of your own to have and to hold, to love and to cherish, this campaign is your only chance, so back now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for everything you do to continue making Kickstarter great, and thanks for backing Meta.